Hey friends, if you wish to know how Microsoft Rewards works and how to get free stuff, see, here's the thing. It's obvious that when you start searching with Bing and buying stuff on Microsoft Store, you get reward points. But how do you redeem them? So go to rewards.microsoft.redeem. I think it's microsoft.com. Okay, and then make sure that you're logged in with your correct account. You will see all the available points here. Okay, now you can go to the redeem section. This is the redeem section. I'll show you once again. And then you will find all the options here. So let's say that you want a Chroma gift card. Click on it. If you have appropriate points, you will be able to redeem it. But since I don't have appropriate points, like it needs 74, 75 points, I will not be able to redeem it. And there's a question, is it even worth it? So, see, here's the thing. If you want, to buy, if you need to buy something, you really need a lot of points, and merely searching through it will not help you get those points. So you will have to buy stuff from the Microsoft Store. Now, if you buy applications from the Microsoft Store often, then it may be a little useful. Otherwise, I don't think I know anyone who has actually used the Microsoft rewards successfully. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.